smiling robot.
This is the best news for motorists. There will be a Rolls-Royce car exhibition in the City Museum. A legendary car, the Silver Ghost, will be represented there. I didn't visit the museum for a long time. The exhibition is great. I can look at the Silver Ghost forages. It's hard to believe that Sir Montague personally drove it. Did you know that thanks to him, the mascot, the form of the flying woman, appeared on the hood of the Rolls-Royce? No. Does it have any story behind it? Yep, a great story. Spirit of Ecstasy. It's the bonnet ornament on Rolls-Royce cars. It is in the form of a woman leaning forwards with her arms outstretched behind and above her. When Montague commissioned his friend, sculptor Charles Robinson Sykes, who worked in London under the nobleman's patronage, to sculpt a personal mascot for the bonnet of his 1909 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, Sykes chose Eleanor Velasco Thornton as his model. The figurine was consequently named the Whisper and is on display at the National Motor Museum in Beaulieu, along with other Spirit of Ecstasy figurines. Later, mascot Lady became the part of the Rolls-Royce. It's true, the figure is very nice and the car is very expensive. It means that we will have a couple of sleepless nights. We need to provide maximum protection of exhibits. The exhibition will close tomorrow, and you will not have the second chance. This night you will break into the museum and steal the Silver Ghost. I've already found a buyer. And what's so special about the most? Ghost. It means a ghost. Silver Ghost. The car with a history like this, you will not appreciate it. Okay, now go get ready. Everything should be smooth. Okay, boss.
It's important not to mix up cars.
I worry mostly about the alarm.
It seems I'm afraid of heights. Let me wait for you outside.
How do you like the idea that you will take your flashlight, stop your talking, and go down quiet?
Yeah, that's also an option.
Here is our car.
It's important not to touch the floor. The alarm will be activated.
When we start the car, we will have 15 seconds to get out of the museum.
Well, let's have a ride with the wind in our faces.
Calling all cars. We will chase the truck. There is very important cargo in it. Calling all cars. We will chase the truck. There's very important cargo in it. Be careful when you intercept. It's a great reason to check my new engine. Exactly what we don't need now, Andy. We're going to the signs. Hold on, Rocko.
Truck driver, I order you to stop now.
Yup. Maybe we will drive to prison now.
We're going to the side. Rocko, hold on. Get out with your hands up. Escaped. We have the car now. It's important. We'll catch them for sure later. There is a real epidemic in the city. A lot of people went to the hospital because of poisoning. The reason is still unknown.
Hi, Handy Andy. Mom asked me to clean the old boxes out of the attic. Can you help me? And then we can go for a walk.
Sure, I'll be there soon. This is the last one.
Great. What is this? This is... What's this?
Let's build and find out.
At least we can try.
Okay, let's start.
Here is a motor. Do you think it will fly?
Well, look, the airflows keep the trike in the air. The motor gives it speed and maneuverability. By the way, you can use different kinds of motors, even from the motorbike. You can go up to 4,000 meters high. But it's cold and not interesting there. It can go up to 70 miles per hour. Let's test it and you will see it for yourself. But we need to hurry. It's very dangerous to fly in a strong wind.
The car will arrive at 4 p.m., so get ready. I hope this time everything will be according to plan.
Okay, sure, boss. Did we let you down? Well, are you ready?
Not sure. It's wonderful.
Around 3 hours, but we need to go down. The wind changed. I think there'll be a thunderstorm.
Oh, I don't feel good.
I think I lost control. I hope we'll not fly far away. Oops!
We are going to crash now.
Hold on, Emmy. How are you, Emmy?
I'm fine. It was a great flight. Where are we?
Good question. Let's look around. One more consignment is ready. However, we need to stop the production or all the people in the city can get sick. I think I know now why so many people are at the hospital. They've been poisoned.
Do you think it's because of Boss and his bandits?
I think we need to tell the police about it.
In a previous episode, the car will arrive at 4 p.m., so get ready. I hope this time everything will be according to plan.
Okay, sure, boss. One more consignment is ready. However, we need to stop the production or all the people in the city can get sick. I think I know now why so many people are at the hospital. They've been poisoned.
Do you think it's because of Boss and his bandits?
I think we need to tell the police about it.
There is a state of emergency in the city. Hospitals are overcrowded. However, more poisoned citizens keep coming. It seems like all of these poisons happen because of the boss and his bandits. But we need clues.
I have an idea. I will get into the laboratory with a camera, take photos, and try to find the poison formula.
It's very dangerous.
However, I can get clues and won't attract attention. When I was there, I managed to get the mask and pass. Moreover, I remember the laboratory plan. So, let's not waste time.
All right. Good luck, Handy Andy. We will be nearby.
We need to attach the tap to you. This way we'll be able to hear everything. Moreover, we'll be able to rescue you in case. It's so dark and dirty here. Oops, what's this? I need to film it. The bandits sprayed a special solution. It promotes immediate mutation of food, making it very tasty and beautiful. However, it's very dangerous. Okay, now I need to find the poison formula. We can make an antidote using that formula.
What's that interference? Why was the connection lost? Major Gary, I think we should storm the building.
We've got Handy Andy.
Well,
Andy. I hope you can hear us real good. Here are our demands. We need millions of helicopters and $1.
What are you talking about? We need $1 million and a helicopter.
Yeah, like that.
Or Handy Andy will be in big trouble. You have only 30 minutes.
Where is the plan of this transformer box? There should be a ventilation system, or even an emergency exit. We will storm it.
Do you think that 30 minutes will be enough for them?
I think they're already thinking about storming in, so we need to escape now. Let's make a fire to destroy all the clues. If you help us to make the antidote, your punishment will not be very strict. It was not your idea, but your boss. Tempting, but let's do it next time.
Well, good luck.
To have the mask now would be great. It is used to clear the air from gases and smoke during the fire. There are special filters in the mask that consist of moisture absorbers and sorbents. Mostly it can be used on activated carbon. So this way you can breathe even when the air is very dirty and polluted.
How are you, Handy Andy? Hold on, we're going to rescue you. Now we know for sure that it was the boss's fault. However, we still don't have the formula.
That's not exactly true.
Well done! The city's rescued now! For sure, this case is on the agenda. Razer and Rocko must be in a prison, but we shouldn't forget about the annual charity race. Of course, everything is ready for it.
It's a beautiful morning for the race.
You have to win the race and teach these pitiful police officers a lesson.
What if they recognize us?
The car is new and you will be wearing helmets. You aren't risking anything. Are all participants on the start? Great. 3, 2, 1.
It seems that we have 3 leaders here.
Stop! Hit the brakes!
That's the police officer. The car's going to fall off the cliff.
How could it happen? Thank you, guys. You, but how?
We were just passing by here.
The fact that you rescued our colleague doesn't cancel your crimes, but it softens the case. I'll give you a chance. I'll send you to the correctional labor and then we will see.
Correctional labor?
It's fine. The main thing is that we're not behind bars. I carry out an examination. There was one thing installed on your colleague's car. Here is the gadget.
So, what is it?
This is an electronic switch for the remote control of the steering wheel. I'll explain now. Someone installed this blocker on your colleague's car, and because of this, the steering wheel was blocked in the crucial moment. The wheels didn't turn, and it was a miracle that the car didn't fall off the cliff.
Let's check the video recordings from the closed-circuit cameras. Okay, it wasn't a big surprise that it was the boss. Easy to guess.
How do you feel after the crash?
I'm fine, just a couple of scratches. I still can't believe that Razer and Rocko rescued me.
We could just drive away.
Stop whining, you're getting on my nerves.
Stripes suit you. I was driving and thinking, what nice zebras graze here.
Okay, get into the car.
Or maybe you didn't finish digging here.
Wouldn't it be better if we serve our sentence?
It would mean that we wouldn't be guilty no more.
You had better do what I told you. You owe me. So you will do me some favors.
What will be your order, boss?
First, we need to teach that Handy Andy a lesson. I'm getting tired of him. It's almost dark outside and time to go to bed. But I think that Handy Andy will not be able to sleep tonight.
I finished at last. Tomorrow will be the competition. I was preparing a month for it. I created and assembled the special car exactly for this competition. Look at this spoiler! I perfected it! By the way, do you happen to know why a car needs a spoiler? Look! When the car is driving at a high speed, the airflows pick its back part and make the car go slowly. But if you install a spoiler, the pressure will be over the trunk. Adhesion to the surface will be more. It means that we will have more chances to win the race. Tomorrow is a big day. We need to have a good sleep. It's time to drive away, or we can be late for...
Good morning, Handy Andy. Why are you so confused? What happened?
It's stolen. My car for the competition is stolen.
Don't you worry. We will find it for sure. I'm going to put it on the wanted list. In 1 or 2 days, it'll be back in your garage.
But the competition starts in 30 minutes.
Let's have a look. Here are the tire marks. They are very clear. The thieves were in a hurry. Get into the car, Handy Andy. We will chase them. It seems that we've lost them.
Take a look. There are more traces on the corner. It's clear that they were turning at a high speed. Look, here it is, my car.
Where are you going? Oh, you must want to look at our car. So get into the line.
But it's my car. I created and assembled it.
Well, we don't think so. Am I right, Razer?
Yeah, sure. We were assembling this car for a month.
What's going on here?
Rocko and Razer stole my car and pretend that it's their own. We didn't do that.
Sure, he's lying. It's our car.
We need to conduct an investigative experiment. That way we will figure out fast who's the real owner of this car.
Great decision. I agree.
To find out the real owner of this car, we offer to organize the race with an obstacle on the highway. It won't be a problem for a real racer.
So, who would like to be the first? Well...
I'm ready.
Great.
Three, 2, 1, start!
Wouldn't it be better to leave while it's not too late?
Not so fast, guys. You need to race and then go.
Now it's the turn for our second competitors to drive through the obstacles. 3, 2, 1, start!
I think something went wrong.
Well, we will go.
You sure will go to the police station. The jury's conferred and made a decision. The winner is Handy Andy.
Hooray! Thank you. Remember, my friends, if you try very hard, everything will be great and you succeed.